Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Express. This versatile, all-in-one design application helps you create stunning visuals, videos, and more without needing advanced design skills. It's incredibly user-friendly, making creative projects accessible to everyone. You'll find a vast library of templates, Adobe stock content, and 1,000 Adobe fonts to kickstart your imagination and bring your ideas to life effortlessly. Getting started in Adobe Express is simple and intuitive. You can begin by choosing from a wide array of professionally designed templates or opt for a blank canvas with custom dimensions. Whether you're crafting a social media post, a video, or a marketing flyer, there's a category for your needs. Plus, handy quick actions allow you to perform tasks like removing a photo background or converting a video to a GIF in just a few clicks. Once your project is underway, customizing your design is where the fun truly begins. You can effortlessly edit text, swap images, and adjust colors and fonts using simple drag-and-drop actions. Enhance your visuals with various photo effects, remove backgrounds with one tap, and add dynamic animations to any element. Plus, powerful AI-powered tools like text-to-image generation and smart object manipulation help you create unique content quickly. Finally, sharing your finished creations is seamless. You can easily share your designs directly via email or generate a shareable link for others to view or collaborate. Invite team members with specific permissions, allowing them to either edit the project or simply add comments. When ready, export your work in multiple formats, including high-quality JPEG, PNG, PDF, GIF, or MP4 video, suitable for any platform or purpose.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.